our eighth launch in a span of 3 years, wherein we keep on launching such kind of outlets. So yeah, it happened with the current, it happened with the Jhatka that we have an outlet and we thought of naming it an outlet which makes smile on your face, like my other previous outlets. So it was one of a kind, yes, Jhatka was derived so. See, we have been grown up, I have grown up with the industry. We know there are names which are very common, which are very usual. But then we thought of those name of my outlet, like right from maybe R Adda or Bombay Adda or Ada Republic or Tanatan. So a name which can bring a sensation, a name which bring a smile on your face is what we think. This is out of the box thinking. And this is how we derive the name of my outlets. While if somebody asks that what are you opening, I said Jhatka. So there's a smile. There is a thought behind that, okay, wow, Jhatka. How can it be possible? This is how we've been thinking on names.
First 2017 we made people Yeda. Then we thought about 2020, 19. So yeah, it's time to make people and give them some Jhatka. And that is how we come up with a quirky name. This is obviously Mumbai, this is India. People love using such names in their daily life. Jhatka laga, Yeda banaya. So yeah, quirky names, different idea, different theme. We worked a lot hard on Yeda. Yeda is right now Mumbai's biggest name in the city as far as all the nightclub and lounges are concerned. After that, hopefully to Jhatka also we do the same justice. We need all your love and support and hope we do the same at Jhatka as well.
All together, we'll say we have clubbed everything. We have been witnessing these kind of launches towards my outlet. So we have not left any stone unturned with this outlet as well. Right from molecular cocktails, mocktails and the food. So everything is there on the platter. One has to come and witness it. That yes, there is a shock, there is a Jhatka into it. I'll say go look by yourself. Or it's there, it will be out in a couple of days.
Interior calls the name itself Jhatka. When you enter inside, it gives that wow factor. So yeah, the team has worked really hard on the interiors. Special thanks to Meenal and team. Whereas the drinks are concerned, yeah, we've done a little different from Yeda. We have added on to the moleculars. We have got various variety of cocktails and mocktails, which you might not see in many of the bars in Mumbai. So yeah, there's a different theme to it, giving a little bit of Jhatka effect, the name itself. And yeah, hopefully people would love us. They would come here, walk in, and this is the open for all place. We are welcoming everybody, a very loving nature, very kind, very humble. And hopefully people love us. Give us that love again in return, what we are offering them.
I'm not stopping here. There are several more outlets projects which I'm working on, which will be launched in this quarter and upcoming quarter. Not only Mumbai, now we are touching Delhi, we are touching Goa, we are touching various other, A-class tier cities for such kind of outlets. So I'm not stopping here.
The message is, we have a very strong backup from sirs and all the bosses and the entire Rami group. We are really thankful, very humble, I have no words to say today. This is one of the best days of my life. Waiting for this opportunity since a long time now. And yeah, here I am today. And hopefully each and every outlet as it comes by, we do whatever is the best expected out of us. The sir has entrusted us with this outlet, the second one after Yeda. And hopefully we keep giving more and more Yeda and Jhatka to the entire India.
And it's all about team also, Parul. What I've seen, my selection of choice of people, my team, have been there with me from last 4-5 years now, including Akib or Rushevar. But they've been a backbone, a strength, because of their vision and their hard work. They are making us to work more for them. So we rely on the team what we choose, and they live up to it. So I'm happy to announce this another opening.
First of all, wishing all the very best to Jhatka and जितने लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं काफ़ी इंजॉय करें, काफ़ी झटके और लटके और डांस और फूड ड्रिंक्स जो भी है विशिंग ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टू Jhatka एंड आई थिंक ये आज लॉन्च है और काफ़ी सक्सेसफुल होगा।
जितने सारे यहाँ पे पब्स हैं, डिस्कोज हैं, सबको झटका लगने वाला है. So that's why the name Jhatka, I think. Akim is a very old friend of mine and I had been doing my parties here regularly with him. So yes, all the best and ये बहुत मज़ेदार होने वाला है ना. एंड बारिश हो रही है, गर्मी हो रही है, उसमें भी बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है.
झटका लग रहा है. हमें भी झटका लग रहा है.
आई नो.
देखिए, जब झटका की बात होती है तो मुझे अपना नाम ही याद आता है. आई एम द बिगेस्ट झटका ऑफ बॉलीवुड ऑफ माय कंट्री इंडिया. एंड फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि किसी क्लब का नाम झटका है और झटका क्लब हो और मैं ना रहूं, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता. दिस इज ऑल बिग झटका. सो आई लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट मीत, निहित, नाकेब, अशोक, आलोक, मयूर एंड ऑल टीम कि उन्होंने बहुत बेस्ट आलोक आरव तो इन सबको ऑल द बेस्ट. और बहुत ही बढ़िया है. पूरे फुल मुंबई, फुल इंडियन पीपल को, सबको अगर दे विजिट टू मुंबई दे शुड कम टू झटका. और या डेफिनेटली हम लोग यहाँ ओपनिंग में हैं, आप देख रहे हैं. और इट्स अमेजिंग. अंदर भी मैंने देखा जब ये रिनोवेशन हो रहा था. इट वॉज so beautiful, so it's good tables and it's amazing lighting, music is amazing.
This is, I can say, one of the happening venue in this suburb, and especially we used to come Remy most of the time, Tanatan, and so many good properties over here. Of course, Jhatka is a rare property. It is gonna be rock.
I'm most fascinated with the name झटका. वो सच्ची में झटका लगा. आई थिंक इट साउंड्स लाइक अ फन प्रॉपर्टी. वी हैवंट गॉन इनसाइड एज येट, बट होपिंग टू मेक दिस आवर फेवरेट पार्टी प्लेस फ्रॉम नाउ.
Obviously जोर का झटका.
Shocking. So
Yeah.
we are expecting something shocking inside.
झटका मतलब धमाल. आई थिंक तो झटका में जो भी होगा फुल दमदार और धमाल वाला ही होगा. ऑब्वियसली आई वुड लाइक टू विश एवरीबडी, ऑल द पार्टनर्स, आलोक एंड एवरीबडी ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. एंड आई एम श्योर जैसा इनका नाम है वैसा ही ये जगह भी होगी. तो मेमोरीज बहुत सारी है. हाँ, आप लोग का परसेप्शन बदल जाएगा. बट या इट्स ऑल जैसे होती है पार्टीज वैसी ही होती है. या सितारा से ऑफकोर्स बहुत ही प्यार मिला हमें. हम लोग नेगेटिव होके भी बहुत जनता ने हमें पसंद किया. सो डेफिनेटली बुरा लग रहा है, अब शो नहीं है. बट अभी थोड़ा ब्रेक लेने के बाद आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू समथिंग बेटर. सो लेट्स सी. आई थिंक विद इन 6 months कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा और बिगर इट विल हैपन. सो या आई थिंक 5-6 months. थैंक यू सो मच.
आज बहुत जोर से लगा है. The big झटका, and so I'm here at Jhatka because they lost. So really to pep up the mood, I'm here. Wish all the last one to go for clubbing. I hardly party, but sometimes I feel, and it's out of the blue kind of thing, that I want to party and I go on a random day to a good joint and enjoy myself. And I hope it's friends' place, so I can come more often.
Anytime.
Having said that, moreover, it's a place to meet a lot of friends. So normally in a daily routine, you don't meet friends. It's a nice joint to meet all our friends who enjoy partying. So I'm one of the guys here. I think he'll be every day here, so I can come anytime.
Yes, anytime, all yours. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.